Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video I'm going to show you a method where you can make like 20, 25, $30 just by typing a single word or two words maximum. So it's like one or two words or three words you'll be typing, and you're going to make a product out of it and you're going to sell it and make money. Okay, that's the whole concept of this video, and it's all free methods I'm trying to show. Even if like completely free, even if you had to pay money, you will not be paying any money upfront. Okay, that's the speciality about it. Okay, so if this is the first time watching, make sure you subscribe. This is my channel. I do most of my videos all about make money online. So let's jump straight to the video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the first website where you're going to make money from is, here we go. This is the website, which is like, sorry, not this one. Here we go, Motion Den. So what is the website? Okay, it is free to sign up. You can just sign up by email ID, that's enough. Or I just signed up with my Gmail ID, so this is what it is. So what I'm talking about, come in here, see, imagine they have lots and lots of templates here, free templates. What you're going to do is you come, see, I'm going to choose something here. Let's choose this one. Okay, just for an example, which is quick and sweet, I want to show you. Okay, this is an intro for anything, for your gaming channel, for a YouTube channel, for Facebook, whatever you want, you can use this to make videos. Okay, this is what it is. Let's jump in here. I'm just going to make something for you in front of your eyes. See this, I'm just going to type let's say make money. Might be I said one word, two words. Okay, make money online. Okay, might be it's too big. Okay, make money. Let's keep it make money. Okay, there's a limit on the words what we type in. Okay, so what I did is I just typed in the two words and I'm pressing make video, and the video is ready. Okay, continue to dashboard. That is how quick you can make videos from this website. This is called Motion Den. If you have not heard about it, this is like really crazy. Many people have started using it to make money. Okay, that's why I'm doing this video. You can start making money with this. So these are sample videos I did. I'm going to show you the one which I did just before so that it is easy for you. Let's just show it. This is one of my kids channel, so I just made a video for them. So isn't it? It's really good, right? Let me put it back again. So it's like a kids channel, so I just put the word, two words, Kessley Kids. That's the website, actually, KessleyKids.com. So I made this website. Don't worry about this watermark. I'll tell you how to remove that one. Okay, because this is like, if you want to upload, you can upload YouTube or download it and you can start selling. That's the idea behind this video. You're going to download this video and you're going to go back. See, this is samples I did. So this is exactly you'll be doing maximum with this website. One or two words and your video is ready to go. So you can ask me how I'm going to make money with this, right? So let me jump on straight to this one. I'm going to introduce to this new website here, which is Quick and Gigs. You know me, I am always promoting Fiverr.com. See this Fiverr, which is a place where you go crazy, you make money from here. But this is so much competitive, so much competition. Of course, I'm not telling to avoid Fiverr, but I want, as a newbie, as a beginner, for you guys to make money, try to start with this website, which is called Quick and Gigs. If you're not heard, this is really booming a lot because lots of buyers are there but less sellers. So that means like less competition and you can get more selling. So this is where you come in, you can start making a gig like this. Just go into these guys, see what they have done. Nothing but maximum one or two words they have typed and they are making a video out of it and they're selling. This is exactly I'm trying to show you today. See, it's $30. This is $2.90. It's a lot for a newbie. $10, $30. This is what I'm talking about, $35. So what you're doing is you're going to do a video from Motion Den, come in Quick and Gigs. Just one website I'm showing you. You know I have done lots of videos on freelancing websites. So much videos you can do, so much websites you can go and sell. But I'm just showing you today is just Quick and Gigs, where you're going to make a video out of Motion Den and come here and sell it. And you can solid, you can make $30, $25. Just imagine, I was just trying to show you this is what it is. In this method, what I'm trying to show you is you just come and open a gig. It's just free to sign up. Quick and Gigs free sign up. You come into this guy, see what he has done. Do a same method of gigs, just put like, don't copy everything, just try to keep the words similar. But what I'm trying to show is same style, what he is promoting, do the same thing. And when you get an order, only then you're going to go to the Motion Den and do a video. And when I told you there will be a watermark, right? This is a watermark. Don't worry, only after you got an order, after you get that money, then like into the account, into Quick and Gigs account. Then you come here after doing the video to remove the watermark. You just need to go see this. There's a pricing for it. There's a pricing here. If you see my account is some subscription. You have a free account. You're doing it, but in order to remove that watermark, you need to upgrade. Don't worry. When you go to upgrade plan, there is $9 per video. Don't worry, after you get that $30 or something, you're going to get the order, or 30 or 25 or $40, what I get, you're going to spend that $9 per video. So it's like you're not going to pay upfront. After you posted the gig in the Quick and Gigs or Fiverr or People Per Hour, whichever the freelance website you're going to put it, once you get the order, then you're going to come to Motion Den and do the video, and then you can pay as you go. See this, pay as you go. If you can afford it, go for the monthly once you get more and more orders. But as a newbie, you don't want to pay money upfront, right? So once you get the order, you do this pay as you go, and then once you get confident, when you get more and more orders, then you can go for the monthly version. That's going to be way more cheaper, and you can make lots of money out of it. At the moment, first I would suggest go with this one. If you can pay upfront, go for it. If not, pay as you go. Once you get the order on the Motion Den, once you get like Quick and Gigs, you come back here, come back to the Motion Den, then download this video, remove that watermark, and then go and sell it. So this is exactly the method you can start making money. If you see, this Quick and Gigs is very relatively new, and lots of people are started jumping in, because reason is Fiverr is so much competitive. It's like even Fiverr, you see these guys are making like $15, $20, $15. As a newbie, as a beginner, for one video, if you can make even $5, it's a very good amount, guys. I'm telling you, go competitive. If you put $15, try to go for $10. You might make like, after Fiverr charges, you might make like $3 or $4. Still, it is worth the money, because the maximum you do is you come here. Of course, you're going to pay $9, right? So don't worry. You might want to stick to $15 or $12. Even if it goes $9, okay, $3. Some charges will be. Fiverr is going to take some charges. Then you're going to get some money out of it. Why I'm trying to say, when you introduce yourself, try to keep your money low, because after you get 2 or 3 orders, you get the star rating. Try to get the reviews from the customers. Then you start increasing your price. Then that is where you get more and more, like more orders and stuff, because the people will see that you got a review, then they'll get you more orders. So when you're at a starting stage, try to keep it as a profit of $4, $5, and then when you get more and more, then you can increase your price. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. It's not just Quick and Gigs, guys. You have People Per Hour. You have if you come here, I have done a complete separate video where they see this top 10 freelance websites. Go here. These are all genuine websites. These websites will never ever cheat you. That's what the best part I put together in this video, where if you see this video here, top 10 freelance websites, where you like, all of them are genuine, and like they have been there for at least like 10-20 years, like 15 years maximum. So these guys are going to really help you to make money. So that's the reason I even today, why I'm introducing Quick and Gigs is it's very relatively new, and people are like very less competition. So as a newbie, as a beginner, you can really make a lot of money from this. I'm just showing you an example of intros, but imagine lots of topics are there. See this, programming and tech, graphic and design, video animation, whatever that knowledge you have a skill, go do it. If you tell me I don't have any skill, I don't know anything, still I've given you idea, go here. The best of best place is Udemy. I'm always trying to give you the free resource as much as possible. See this, come here, come and learn, spend some time, learn something. See this, I'm going to put, if you don't know how to make like graphic design, if you tell me, I don't know any skill, I want to learn something, I'm giving you the free course as well. Many people will not tell you this. See this, don't worry, don't see about the money. I'm also giving you a hack here. Come here, see this price, choose free. Oops, my website is playing like anything. Okay, all these things you just see, how to create better graphic design, world of graphic design, all of them are free. So even this is a paid website where you pay money and learn course. I'm showing you a method where you can learn free as well. So don't give me an excuse, guys, saying that I don't have money, I don't know how to do, I can't learn. Come, learn, spend some money. Spend some time, not even money, then go and do it. But for what method I showed you here, you don't need any method, like you just type in 1 or 2 words and start making money, okay? Don't expect just by going into Quick and Gigs, just putting 1 gig and expecting everything to happen. It's not going to happen like that, okay? You need to work around it. Once you put the order, once you put a gig out around it, go and promote in your Facebook, Twitter, Quora, it's like Pinterest. There are so many places you need to promote yourself. You know, when you try to get, in order to get that first order, it will take time, guys. 1 month, 2 months, 3. Luckily, you might get, but that first 3 months, 6 months is going to be very, very hard. Even 1 year, many people are struggled. But once you start getting 3 or 4 orders, then it will build your confidence. Then you can start going into like lots of other, as I said, this lots of other freelance websites and start making money from it. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind today's video about Quicken Gigs and Motion Den, where you can start making money by just typing 1 or 2 words and, you know, kickstart your make money online journey, right? That's it, guys. I don't want to make the video long. It's all about make money online with Motion Den and Quicken Gigs. So if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I do new videos. Thanks a lot for time. See you in the next one. Bye.